So, day 2 of vlogging. Woke up late today, well, 11 o'clock, and yeah, we got copying to do after yesterday's wedding, and we've got editing of yoga that I'm gonna be doing while Grace is copying. Yeah, so stuff from tomorrow, bags, because I just looked at the footage and you couldn't actually see anything, so here you go. And this is how we save money, just buying those cups for tea and coffee. So we're gonna go have breakfast because we don't want to cook today. We're gonna have breakfast and I'm making tea, so we're gonna save some money. So there's our kettle, there you go. I'm gonna have a chamomile. Here you go, this one. I don't know what I'm gonna make Grace, but yeah, those cups are about, I think I paid £25 or £30 for like 100, and we got loads of them. Look at this. This is how much we got. And cups, cups, yeah, cups, not cups. These things. Yeah, we got 100 of them. You go, that's the camera I'm using. Yeah, bought these shoes in Lidl, £10. They're quite cool. I like the pattern on them. I mean, they're already falling apart. Well, it's been, I think it's been a month. It's been a month or something. But yeah, £10. It's not Lidl. It's Aldi. Aldi. That's why I bought them. Not Lidl. Who buys shoes in Aldi? Me. Yeah, also I have a meeting at 7 o'clock today. Someone emailed me about my other YouTube account, saying, oh, we can like help you maintain it and to like do stuff to it so you get more subscribers and more followers and stuff, and say you don't have to pay us unless you actually start earning from it. So I was like, okay, that's interesting. I mean, it's probably, you know, a scam or spam or whatever it is, but you know, I'm gonna have a meeting with them at 7 o'clock. You never know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'll tell you all about it later. These are so hot. I'm going to see what's Grace doing. I mean, I know what she's doing. She's in the garden. Ow! These are so freaking hot. Do you want to see what Grace doing? Try to put the cups down. Hello. Hello, Grace. What are you doing?
Gardening with the neighbor.
That's Grace's garden.
James Bond camera?
Yeah.
This is for the Wi-Fi?
Go see the...
Oh, just vlogs. What?
Go see the cucumbers in the kitchen.
Cucumbers in the kitchen? Hmm. Oh, I don't understand how this camera works. Ah, it is recording. So yeah, Grace said to show you the cucumbers. That's Grace's cucumbers. Hmm? There you go, cucumbers.
Nice part of beans. The beans. See? And then come, I'll show you something. Look. There.
Yeah.
You have to come from this side. See?
What is it?
That's red potato.
Okay.
That's the potatoes. Look, they're coming out of soil. I need to hide them so they don't turn green. I need more soil. And courgettes. And my pumpkin. Show my pumpkin. Because Grace likes vegetables. Potatoes are growing, right? Potatoes are coming out.
Okay, let's go have breakfast. Breakfast time. Come get your shoes. You need your shoes. Grace is having a shower.
Not a shower.
What? What?
Not a shower, just hair.
Just hair. So we can't have breakfast because Grace is washing her hair. I'm hungry. And then we decided to go to a park for 1 minute. 1 minute? 1 hour. Or maybe 2 hours. I'll take my FPV. Yeah. While we're waiting, let's watch some TV. That's what I usually do. I go on YouTube and see if there's anything new. Oh. From the camera world. Let's see what's Insta360 Go Ultra. Must have 3 high quality effects. It's nothing. Oh, Resident Evil 9. That's interesting. It's nothing interesting. Nothing interesting. Only the Insta360. Oh yeah, and I'm like following this object that's coming from space. What's it called? I don't know what's it called. But the long object that coming from space.
In 2017, the Earth encountered a very weird object. We didn't know it at the time, but our planet had been visited by something that had come from deep in the void.
Here we go, aliens attacking us. Yeah, that was very fast. That was what? Less than a minute.
But I said I just need to wash my hair. And I don't have any hair.
And then we still got
I
the
need
box.
blanket.
We still get the box from R8. Don't know what to do with it. Got the cheese. Almost forgot the cheese. Ugh. It's working. Oh no.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So our cafe is closed. This is where we usually go for breakfast. But it's closed. This is because of bank holiday.
Because now more people would know that it's a bank holiday and we don't. Because we have no more out.
So, can we go call?
Yeah, let's just get some bits.
Reduce section.
Yeah, mama. I'll go to There's nothing wrong with it.
This is what I'm having. Corned beef on clearance. 10 cheesy singles. And some bread and a pastry. They're a very good vlogger.
Yeah.
Not really.
You are.
Here we go. Grace. Me. Going to the park.
Breakfast
Cup of tea.
from home.
Breakfast from Co-op. And FPV. To train myself to fly. Don't know. Yeah.
It was nice and I'm hoping to find out if he ate the papagayo ate my banana from next time.
The bird.
Yeah.
Parrot.
Papagayo.
That's the park. We now usually go.
Second time.
Okay, second time. So not very usual. I'm pointing this way. Does that work?
We can go again.
Usually I will cut this bit out. Bread. You got hummus. Got cheese.
Substitute of a cheese.
Corned beef. Yeah. Pastry.
From yesterday.
From yesterday wedding. Another pastry. Some chicken.
Proteins. Water
it's
from the
okay.
car.
Okay. Very hot. And pineapple.
Pineapple. Also clearance. Unpacking.
My FPV. Oh, we still need to collect the what's it called? Lens cap for this. We bought it and the guy found the lens cap afterwards in the car. And now we don't have time to collect it. I mean, now we have time. I don't want to go.
It's like 2 hours drive. Very much.
So for FPV to work, you need to press the remote first. Then you need to switch this on. Where's the button? You need to press it. Where's it? There. You need to press this, and then you need to press this. There you go. There we go. Now it's all working. Oh, terrible. Hello.
Hi. Oh, or will it be visible? Let's see if it's visible. It should be. That's what the drone sees. That's what you see inside those. Mike, you can take it.
I'm gonna do a dip. No, that's not how it works.
Ooh.
The drunk driving.
The giant.
Oh my god, I was crashed into the tree.
Say it again.
So, in manual mode, you can actually correct the horizon. Because in sports mode, it's like. It's weird, and it's always at an angle.
I don't know, why are you flying to me? Very close. Like nearly touching me close.
God said swap the batteries.
Oh no. Learning the motion controller.
Press and hold the dial up to left or center. What? No, where the button is. So,
Come here. Closer. Keep flying forward. And you're gonna hit us. Go up a bit.
okay, let's begin about how do you change the dial?
Don't know if that filmed.
Oh, low battery already. No, I don't want to. In the film? What?
Yeah. Where are you coming from?
Ready?
Yeah. Wow. That is fast.
That was fun. Okay, I'm glad I tried this. Time to go to work, Grace.
I got a book.
Time to work.
Okay. Let's go.
So Grace is copying the footage. Hello, Grace.
Hi.
Are you copying the footage?
And then I'm checking if it is copied. So this is what's on the drive, this is what's on the card. You need to compare after you copy, if you copied everything. And then you still end up being paranoid that I didn't copy something.
SD cards everywhere. Hard drives everywhere.
I should have learned something.
And I'm editing Hannah. I mean Celeste. So it's like yoga classes. Yoga classes. So I edited already 2 days of it. So 2 days, and now it's the 3rd day. No, 1 day. I edited 1 day. I edited 1 day. 2 more days to go of live classes. So it's just multicam with 3 multicams, 3 cameras. Yeah, this one I edited. You see, I cut between 1 and 2 and 3. So 1 in the close up, 1 in the mid shot, and 1 wide. So 3 cameras. What? Knowing more about it and like where to go.
If you just did the research, for example, right?
Yeah.
So what actually now has you making this a priority so that you can make more money with it and grow it? What now made it a priority?
I mean, now the priority is like I don't really want to work for other people. So basically, I want to work for myself. So that's the priority. So I do a lot of like work for like companies and everything, where I thought, okay, I can sort of, I know a lot about photography, I know a lot about video, I know how to produce content. So I thought, okay, I want to work on my own sort of thing where I can actually produce my own content and put it out there and do my own workshops. So basically be more of my own brand rather than, and so people recognize me rather than we just produce the content for others and then others succeed.
Why is that so important?
So a person just wanted to sell me a course, right?
Yeah, of course.
I was keep asking, like, can you tell me what you want from it? And he was like, no, I'll tell you at the end. I'll tell you at the end. And then he said, yeah, it's a course. How much it cost? 4,300 pounds?
4,300.
4,300 pounds to get like whatever course, how to succeed and stuff like that, right?
But it's annoying because you send the email that you don't want to buy anything, and they said no, we're not selling anything. It's just I'm still copying.
Yeah, because I'm happy to partner with people, but not like pay and not get out of it anything.
Or just get a spreadsheet.
I'll get a spreadsheet. I don't want a spreadsheet. And Grace is still copying the footage. And look, it's already nighttime and she's still copying. You see, Joseph, if you're watching, this is what Grace have to deal with. You have to pay an extra day for just copying.
Well, I've got three Sonys, 2 cards from R6G, 1 card from C200, 1 card from R6 Mark II M. There's another card from R6 Mark II. There's another one from Mark I that was on a gimbal. There's F6 sound. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Holylands. That is the sound.
What about F6?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, Grace is still copying. And then we're preparing for tomorrow as well. Are we preparing? Not really. Not yet.
I mean,
Tomorrow is another shoot.
I need to check the cameras for tomorrow if they charged, because we're not using our cameras, we're using someone else's cameras.
Yeah, we're using someone else's cameras. So we got even more cameras in our place.
Oh, just don't play that.
Oh yeah, that's true. But I just said it. But anyway, this is the end of vlog 2.
Is it? Are we not gonna get food?
Oh yeah,
He's
food.
not feeding me. I'm hungry.
Yeah, but I think it's the end. So learn from this vlog today. Don't talk to those.
Don't talk.
Don't buy the
Don't
course.
talk to people who don't wanna tell you what they're trying to do for you. And
No,
if
no,
they-
he said what he's trying to do.
to sell you a course.
Yeah.
He didn't.
Okay, not this, but he was
Exactly.
telling you what he gonna do for you, like in terms of like spreadsheets and stuff.
Yeah, he's trying
Funnels.
to sell you a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
And also, we learned today that Grace can grow potatoes. That's the valuable lesson from today.
Okay, don't buy the courses. Just learn by yourself.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't say that either.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sorry, Steve. Okay, buy the courses. Buy the courses.
By the
That's
courses,
okay.
but people that actually sound like they created it, not
Yeah.
from the salesperson.
Yeah. So from the creators, talk to the actual creators, like me. I'm a creator. I can sell you a course. You wanna buy a course?
You need to first film it.
Yeah, I need to film it. But I'll be genuine. I'll give people value.
Who's coming at this time?
I'll give you value, guys. I don't know. There's someone's at the door. Parcel. But yeah, don't buy courses from people who's. Okay, whatever. Just do whatever you want to do.